It's unbelievably rewarding to see people so excited about our top-level service. This great 5-star review really motivates our team to keep working even harder. We're really excited to share this great feedback with everyone. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing someone took the time and care to write about their experience online and leaving us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that becomes our speciality. We're glad you had a chance to come by and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.